In this video, we will find the equation of a tangent line to an accumulation function, and we will carefully relate the rate graph, the accumulation graph, and a value table. We'll go slow and mark the matching points on both graphs. Here is our setup. On the left, the top graph is the rate function, and the bottom graph is the accumulation function. In the middle, we have a table of g of x values, and on the right we will build the tangent line equation step by step. Let's find the tangent line to g of x at x equals 3. We will mark x equals 3 on both graphs using a vertical wall, so the relationship is clear. From the table, we see that g of 3 is 3.5. That gives us the point on the accumulation graph. Now we will build the tangent line equation step by step on the right. First, we define the accumulation function. G of x equals the integral from 0 to x of f of t dt. Next, we use the table value. G of 3 equals 3.5. The slope of the tangent line is g prime of 3, which equals f of 3. From the rate graph, f of 3 equals 1. Now use point slope form. Y minus 3.5 equals 1 times x minus 3. Finally, simplify. The tangent line equation is y equals x plus 0.5. Let's draw the tangent line on the accumulation graph so we can see it touching the curve at x equals 3. So the key idea is simple. The point comes from the accumulation value, and the slope comes directly from the rate. That gives the tangent line.